Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make shiny text in Photoshop. So let's jump into it. First of all, I'm going to create a new document. So go to File, New, then adjust your size and click OK. Right, now I'm gonna add some noise on the background. To do this, go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise. Amount around 200. Make sure Gaussian and monochromatic is selected. Then click OK. Go back to Filter again. This time Filter Gallery, Structure, Patchwork. You can play with the settings. I am leaving as it is. Moving on, select the text tool. Here is your font type, the font size. I have set 240 pixels. Here is your color. Now type your text. When done, click this confirmation mark. Using the move tool, I'm gonna drag it to the middle of the canvas. Now going to apply gradient overlay. So click on the FX icon and select gradient overlay. Here blend mode to normal, opacity to 100%, style is linear, and make sure align with layer is checked. Angle 90 degree is pretty good. Now double click on the gradient bar and choose black and white gradient preset. Now click on below part of the gradient color to create a new color stop like so, and set the location amount 50%, which is half of the color bar. Click on the color box, set the B amount 70%, which is lighter gray. Then click the lower right color stop, set the location to 90%. Click on the color box again. This time B amount is 45%. Then OK. Now just click on the lower left color stop, which will create this little tiny icon, and drag this icon towards the middle color stop. Again, I'm creating another color stop on the lower left side. This time set the location 35%, B amount to 45%. Once again, I'm creating another color stop. Location 20%. Click color box, B 40%. Then OK and OK. Now switch to satin. Here blend mode to color bar, opacity 50%, angle is 160 degree, distance to 5 pixels, size to 0, contour is linear. Make sure anti-aliased and invert is checked. Then move to bevel and emboss. Contour is checked. Technique to chisel hard. Depth to 300. Direction is up. Size to 3. On shading, highlight mode to color dodge. Then go to inner glow, blend mode to color dodge, opacity around 38. Click on the color box and choose any lighter glow color. I'm choosing light yellow. Then OK. On elements, change the size to 7 pixels, contour to half round. Now select stroke, size to 3 pixels, position to inside. Change the fill type to gradient. Double click on gradient bar and click on the settings icon. Select metal gradient. When this pop-up window choose append and pick steel bar preset, then OK. Finally go to drop shadow. Blend mode is multiply, opacity 50% and OK. Now convert the text layer into a smart object. So right click on text layer and convert smart object. Again click on FX icon and select drop shadow. Here change the opacity to 50%, distance to 25, size to 30, then OK. Then I'm gonna duplicate this text layer by pressing Ctrl and J. Double click on drop shadow settings on duplicate layer. Change the distance to 50 pixels, then OK. Finally going to add a border around the text. To do this, select the background layer and create a new layer above the background layer and rename it to border. Select the rectangular marquee tool and drag it over the text. Now right click and select stroke. Set width to 10 pixels. Location is inside, then OK. Go to select and deselect. Change the fill opacity to 0. Now right click onto border layer and blend in options. Select bevel and emboss. Technique to chisel hard. Direction to down. Size to 6 pixels and OK. So that is the end of my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also feel free to leave any suggestions for more videos you would like to see.